Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fund PayPal account. So first you need to search on Google PayPal and you need to log in into your PayPal account. Wait for a few seconds here. So once you log in into your PayPal account and if you want to fund, so you want to receive money from someone. So here you can see money in. So you simply need to click on request money. And let's suppose if you are selling something and you want to receive payment here, so you simply need to complete this step and add the email address of the person, click on next and request payment from that person. And once that person send you the money, your account will get funded. So this is the process how you can fund PayPal account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.